Say hi. Can you be a little more polite? Are you a pirate? Can you blow a kiss? Can you toot? That's gross. Can you do a red wolf? How about an owl? The pretty songbirds? How about a rooster? How about a pig that needs to go on a diet? How about your best friend the skunk? Stinker. Can you fall down? Did that hurt? Cry like a baby? Can you fly on the spaceship? And shoot the lasers? Gonna make everyone scream. That sounds evil. How about a knock at the door? Can you get down? Can you sing in the shower? Einstein, are we in trouble? Is it dusty? The most annoying sound in the world.